Hi.
That you work. Hi, guys.
Happy America Day. We need to have Jamaican Day next.
It's Thursday. Well, for me.
I don't have anything Jamaican.
No, but it's to represent your culture. I mean, technically.
Where I'm from, Alabama, I'm finna wear overalls.
America. You come and say, hee-haw.
Yeehaw.
Yee, sorry.
Yeehaw. I'm so weak. Okay, first word. Notebook. Let me guess, because we talked about the paper. Full lie.
No.
What in the world?
Yes.
Why she standing up, y'all?
Yes, I'm giving you a clue.
Y'all, what is that? Stretch. Workout. Exercise.
Exercise book. I kid you not.
I have to make sure they heard that too. Like, is she being for real? Is she being serious? Why is it an exercise book?
That's what it's called. And this one that you have,
It's a composition notebook.
hardcover book.
Art cover?
Hard, but it's an odd.
Hardcover.
Hardcover book, and then the other soft one is exercise book.
Let me feel that. That ain't even hard for me.
It is a hard cover. It's hard enough.
This is like paper, cardboard.
Yeah, hard cover.
Hardcover book. And the other one is exercise. That's how I said it? Exercise.
Exercise.
Exercise. Okay. Next word. The app, TikTok.
Tic-tac.
Like what you eat.
What you use to make your mouth smell good.
Tic-tac.
Tic-tac.
TikTok. That's how y'all call TikTok. So when the clock is going around, y'all be like tick-tock, tick-tock,
Tic-tac.
tick-tock. So what do you call tic-tacs? Tick-tock. It doesn't make sense. I'm good at math and it's not adding up. Whew, okay. Daughter.
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 That's my daughter. See, the girl over there on the computer, my daughter.
Your daughter on the computer.
And my son.
You say it so slow. I be like, my daughter over there on the computer.
My daughter on the computer.
Say it like me. My daughter on the computer.
My daughter on the computer. You do it to it like it's funny.
My bad. My daughter
My daughter
is on the computer.
is on the computer.
On the computer.
That's how you look.
All right, Jamaica. Ooh, the yard.
Jamaica. J-U. Jamaica.
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 Jamaica. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Jamaica. All right. Worse. Like, ew, this is the worst thing I've ever tasted.
And the worst thing me ever did. Worst. W-O-S-S.
Worst.
Yeah, man.
This the worst thing me ever tasted.
And the worst feeling me ever feel.
The worst. Wait, the worst?
Yeah, what?
The worst feeling ever feel. She the worst daughter.
Daughter.
Da. The worst daughter. No, the worst daughter. I'm struggling so hard.
It's like how y'all say SMH or LOL. We said what was that? KMT.
Kiss my teeth. I learned that on the comments. And then DWL.
Yeah, dead with
Dead
laugh.
with laugh. Dead with laugh. We dead with laugh.
Me I dead.
And me I dead with laugh. Okay. Look at this. Look at this.
Kuya.
Kuya.
Yeah, Kuya.
Spell that one.
Kuyah.
Kuyah.
Kuya. Kuya, but Kuya.
Where'd that come from?
Kuya.
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 Be like, girl. Kuya. Kuya.
Kuya.
Kuya, me school bag. I didn't do it right?
Yeah, you did great, baby. Kuya, me school bago.